Welcome learners to Form 1 Mathematics. We are looking at proportions. And we have 2 examples here to handle. Let us look at the first one. 3 tractors, each working 8 hours a day, can plow a field in 5 days. How many days would 2 such tractors, each working 10 hours a day, take to plow the same piece of land? Learner, you normally come and fix 3 columns for tractors, for hours, and for days. We are talking about 3 tractors. You come and put your 3 there. Each taking 8 hours, you fix your 8 there. A day can plow a field in 5 days. You put your 5 there. How many days would 2 such tractors, you put your 2 there, each working 10 hours a day, fix your 10 there, take to plow a piece of land? So how many days? You put a question mark. Learner, to handle such a problem, we need some reasoning out. You come and block 1 column. Like now I can block this 1 column which has the 2 numbers here, or even this one. Let us start by blocking this 1 column like that. Then we talk of what? Whatever you block, you assume it's the same. Like now here we assume that we have the same number of hours. So learner, you come and say 3 tractors can plow a piece of land in 5 days. 3 tractors can plow a piece of land in 5 days. Now, 2 tractors working the same number of hours here would take how many days? 3 tractors plow for 5 days. 2 tractors to plow the same piece of land will take what? Here, now that the tractors are fewer, the days will increase. The day will increase. So you increase 5. You increase 5. How do you increase 5? So you talk of 5, you multiply by what? You multiply by 3 over 2. 3 over 2. How do you increase a number? You increase a number by multiplying with a numerator divided by a denominator where the numerator is bigger. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we increase 5 by multiplying by 5 by 3 over 2. Then you come and put multiplication here. You block this other column like that for tractors, and you assume that the number of tractors is the same. So learner, you say some tractors working for 8 hours, they take 5 days. The same number of tractors, learner. If they work for 10 days, the hours now have increased. How many days would they take? They would take fewer days. Now that the hours are more, they will take fewer days. And therefore, you multiply by what? You multiply by 8 over 10. Reducing a number, learner, you multiply with a fraction whereby the numerator is smaller than the denominator. And therefore, learner, you work out this to get your answer. By 4, 1, by 2, 1, by 2, 4. Then you talk of about by 2, 2, by 2, 5, by 5, 1, by 5, 1. And so you are left with 3 times 2, which is 6 days. 6 days. We go to the second question, learner. You are told 7 men can build 5 huts in 30 days. So you come and make a column for men, huts, and days. 7 men can build 5 huts in 30 days. Find the number of men, put a question mark there, working at the same rate that will build 9 huts, similar huts, in 27 days. You fix your 27 there. So learner, you again come and block 1 column which has the 2 figures like that. Block it like that. You assume you have the same number of huts. So you say 7 men, you talk of what? 7 men can build some huts in 30 days. 7 men can build some huts in 30 days. How many men will build the same number of huts in 27 days? How many men will build the same number of huts in 27 days? Learner, you have to increase the number of men because the days now are fewer. If the days are fewer, the number of men must increase. So you talk of 7, you multiply by what? To increase 7, you multiply by 30 over 27. 30 over 27. The numerator must be bigger than the denominator if you want to increase a number. Then you put multiplication. Come and block this other column there and reason out. You assume the number of days is the same. So 7 men can build 5 huts in some days. How many men would build 9 huts in those number of days, in the same number of days? 7 men build 5 huts in some days. How many men would build 9 huts in the same number of days? The men must be more for them to build more huts. And therefore, you multiply whatever we have here by what? You multiply by 9 over 5 to increase 7. So learn, from here you work out by 9 1, by 9 3, by 3 1, by 3 10. Okay? By 5 1, by 5 2. And so learn, 7 times 2 gives you what? It gives you 14 days. Learner, go and practice on proportions. Remember, to increase a number, the numerator must be bigger than the denominator. You multiply with a fraction whereby the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And to decrease a number, learner, the numerator must be smaller than the denominator. I wish you all the best. God bless you.